you in my head again. You had your heart set on me.
Hey guys, so I haven't posted in a while, but got a new project today. Well, not really today, like maybe like 2 weeks ago. Pretty much counting it as a Christmas present, but I want to show you what I kind of got with it. You guys can guess how much I got it for. Just put it down in the comments below, and I'll tell you next video how much I actually did get it for, but I got it for that much because of, I guess, certain reasons. But here she is. Honda Civic EK, well, EJ6 or whatever, B16A2, some Boosted Boys headlights. Wiring is janky as hell in this car, I don't know why. Cracked windshield. I don't know why somebody would do this to GSR leathers, but I don't know if they actually came this way, like in any car. I don't think they ever did. I think somebody redid these, because that's what they look like. And yeah, the seat pretty much did come like this. There's probably like one bolt in it, but the seat's pretty much nothing in there. It was an auto before. These gauges don't work. The deck is broken. Yeah, there's like 2 climate controls. This one doesn't work. The tack works at least. So it has skunk 2 coilovers, rear disc brake conversion, a little bit of rust. I mean, it's not perfect. Like, quarters aren't that bad though. For what it is. EK9 wing. I also got some other stuff, but I'll be showing you later. The hatch does not stay open, so that's always fun. I got these wheels also with it. They're 18s. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I'm probably gonna sell them, get some money for the build. It's pretty much, I think it's straight piped. I think there's a resonator. That's about it. There's this Type R rear lip, and there's a backup camera, which ruined the bumper. But yeah, there's like intake, exhaust. I don't know what's actually done to it. There's headers, pretty much. But yeah, I'm just gonna try and take out some of the stuff I don't want. If I have enough time today, I can get to the engine bay a little bit, but I just want to take these seats out. At least these seats. There's a back seat also, but I gotta put it up. At least these seats. I'm taking off the EK9 wing and selling it. This wheel can stay on for now. I don't have anybody buy it yet, because I don't really have, I mean, I have the other wheels to put on, but like those ones, the Integra wheels. But mirrors, I'll probably keep them on for now. Steering wheel can stay on. The other thing I just want to do is take off these headlights. Those are my 2 biggest things, are like the headlights and the seats. And get all the stuff out of the car. Kind of try to clean it up, but if I don't have enough time today, it's okay. I'll just clean it another day. But let me just take this stuff out of here, and we'll go from there. Throw it out now. Besides that, I'm gonna get this wing off now. I don't have a tripod with me. Yeah, there's like nowhere to put it right now, so I'm just gonna take it off, and I'll go from there, I guess. Then I'll take out the headlights if I have should have enough time anyway. But yeah, it looks way better without seats, and there's no holes in the floor, so that's kind of good. Okay, so the wing's off now. Yeah, I'm just gonna take off these headlights now. I really don't like these. And then I'll see if I can put anything new in today. I'm not getting rid of the hood, it's just so you guys can see everything easier, because lights crap in here. So till we get lights, I'm taking off the hood for now. And the car's not moving for now, so it's whatever. See you in like 5 minutes when this shit's off. But this bumper was held on by like 2 pieces of plastic clips that weren't even really in. Look at these headlights, like, what the hell? Why is there so much wires and like janky shit? Like, and then down here, fogs, I guess, but why? Like, look, the bumper's pretty much held on by this fog light. Like, oh wow. Yeah, like the headlights are like, we're held in by two bolts. I don't know if this one's actually, no, this one's not bolted in, is it? Nope, it's not. I need to get these out again. Let me try this one. Wait, is this bolt? Oh, this bolt's on. Well, I mean, it doesn't. Okay. Like, why? Why is there so much shit? Like, this is just too much effort to put these sort of lights in your car. Like, well, I guess each their own, but I'm gonna try to take all this shit out of here. Would they actually try to like tuck this or something? I need scissors or a really big knife. I think it's already about to do it. Big knife. Let's go back to this one for a second. Let's see. What do you have to do here? Like, there's so much shit. This one at least was hidden better, but like, doesn't make it any better. Here, we'll just take this out. Take this out. I don't know if anybody will even buy these things off me, but I mean, if they do, I guess they do. Put this down for a second. I'm just scared about the rest of the car. Like, I mean, if somebody did this to lights, like, what is this for? Like, that's for nothing. And then what is this for? And all this fog lights, I guess. But like look, what is that? I mean, is this fuse? Hopefully it's for lights so I can rip it out. Because I really don't want it. Like, there's way too much just shit everywhere. Wires, like an alarm and all this shit. If somebody actually clean all this shit up. Like, the gauges don't work either, so I'm kind of scared about that. But I'll come back after all this stuff's out. So the new headlights. Don't look that bad. I snapped 2 bolts in this, so that's kind of, not the worst, I guess. But lots of bolts broke on this car. Like, the person before me somehow broke all these bolts. There's only 1 bolt holding the fender. Who knows what else, but pulled all this crap out of it. So, oh, and here's my new seat. But I'm gonna make a list like Robbie. He's another YouTuber, I guess. I don't know if you guys watch him. He has an EG, a gray one now. It's plastic dipped. But like, the headlights came with the car. The seat I traded for SIR wheels with some other stuff that I'm gonna put in the car, so they were pretty much $120 because I got them for $120. But so I'll be seeing you guys next time, the next episode. So maybe we'll see if you can run. Peace.